Welcome to the Math Park, where you learn various math concepts. Guess who is already here waiting for us? It's Benny. Benny the bunny. Benny loves to come to the Math Park every day. But today, Benny has a little problem. Look at this. Benny is standing on the path and the path goes in two directions. One path goes this way and one path goes the other way. Benny wants to find his friend Lily the lamb, who is waiting at the picnic spot with yummy carrots. But Benny doesn't know which way to go. Can we help Benny? Of course we can. But first, we need to learn something very important. We need to learn about left and right. Let's stand up, friends. Hold up both your hands. Look at your left hand. Your left hand is the one that makes the letter L when you hold your fingers straight. Can you make the letter L with your left hand? Stretch your fingers straight and your thumb out. Yes, that's the letter L. And that hand is your left hand. Now the other hand is your right hand. Will you remember that? The left hand is the one that makes the letter L and the other hand is the right hand. Left and right. Now let's help Benny. Benny gets a message from Lily the lamb. Lily says, Benny, take the left path with flowers to come to the flower garden. Then you will find me. Friends, look at the paths. One path has flowers on it. Which side are the flowers on? Is it on the left side or the right side? Benny, stretch your left hand. Yes, that's right. The one that makes the letter L. Yes, the flowers are on the left side. So Benny must go left. Great job, friends. You helped Benny take the right path. Benny is near the flower garden. But now there are two more exits. Benny gets another message from Lily. Benny, pass the big tree on the right to find me. Friends, look carefully. The big tree is on which side? Is the tree on the left or the right? The tree is towards the other hand. So, the tree is on the right side. Benny must go right. You are doing amazing, friends. And look, Benny found the picnic spot. And there's Lily the lamb waiting with yummy carrots. Lily says, Benny, you made it. How did you find me? Benny says, my friends helped me. They know left and right. Yay! We helped Benny. Give yourself a big clap, friends. Now your turn. We will do an activity where I will tell you where Benny needs to go and you will raise the correct hand, left or right. Ready? Let's go. Benny sees a butterfly on his left side. Raise the hand that is left. That's right. Great job. Left hand is the one that makes the letter L. Oh, an ice cream cart. It is on Benny's right side. Raise your right hand. That's amazing. The other hand is your right hand. Look, a red balloon is floating on Benny's left. Raise the correct hand. Left hand. Brilliant, friends. Benny says thank you to all his friends. You helped him find his way in the math park. And now you know left and right. You are such wonderful learners. Benny will see you again very soon in the math park. Until then, goodbye and do take good care.